Hi, everybody. It's Amy from Little Explorers at Blocks. Today's book is called Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. And it's written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McLaury. Horn went beep, engine purred. Friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Towering buildings scrape the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Buildings are really tall. Zoom, roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Wow, he is little. Look at those big trucks behind him. The truck behind him looks angry. And Little Blue looks maybe a little bit scared. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with big red letters. Rides are us. Rides are us. He looks mad. A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud. I'm first. You're last. Everybody in the city seems a little bit in a hurry to go someplace. Whoa, went a siren. Coming through. Busy police car. Things to do. Swish, swash, swoosh went a big street sweeper, hollering, hey, better move, little beeper. Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got His Honor the Mayor inside. I'm important. Move aside. Do you think he's more important than the little blue truck? I don't think so. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Oh my goodness, it's a traffic jam. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. I think he's right. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? He was being very kind when Limo was not kind to him. Everybody watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. The mayor is a very important person. We have a mayor in the city of Framingham. His Honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck, this good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do, so single file, folks, follow Blue. So little Blue in the big city knew the right thing to do. Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. They took turns, kind of like sharing. Getting in line one at a time. Being good friends, being kind. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums, and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue, and everyone waved to Little Blue. There's Little Blue with the mayor. They clapped their hands and yelled, "Hooray!" for the little blue truck who led the way. And there's Little Blue leaving the city, and it says, "Come back soon." He's heading home, and I think Little Blue has the right message. Take your turn. Be kind. Be kind to one another, and I'll see you guys soon. And I miss you. Bye, friends.